Today I want to show you how you can start a new row within a cell. Let's look at this cell that says leisure/entertainment. Let's say that we want to reduce the size of this column to save space. After reducing the column, we see that a few letters overflow into the next column here. If we simply click on Wrap, then Excel will take care of that for us by moving parts of the letters down into a second row automatically. However, if we want to specifically choose which words or letters we want to move into a second row, this is how we do it. Get into the cell by double-clicking on it. Position your cursor in front of the chunk of the letter or words you want to move down. Then click Alt-Enter and then hit Enter. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions at all. Please give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the little alarm bell if you want to get notified of any new videos. Thank you for watching.